Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically send SMS to newly created contacts in Zoho CRM. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is the contacts page of Zoho CRM, and here we are going to add some details. So the first name is Jane and the last name is Austin. This is the email address janeaustin23@gmail.com. Then this is the phone number of Jane Austen where we will be sending a confirmation SMS. Furthermore, we have her address and all those details. So let me just create a contact by just clicking on save. Okay, so a new contact called as Jane Austen has been created. So the idea is that Jane Austen will be getting an SMS from me. So let me just straight away show you the SMS that Jane Austen has received. Okay, so as you can see, this is the SMS that Jane Austen has received on her cell number. So this is the SMS. Hello Jane, thanks for filling out our form. You will be getting updates on this phone number. This is the phone number of Jane and this is the email address of Jane. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Zoho CRM to SMS sending apps like Twilio? So basically here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Zoho CRM to Twilio. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or technical background. It can be done easily. Now here we are using Twilio to send the SMS. But with Pabbly Connect you can integrate with other SMS sending apps like T7 Networks, SMS Horizon and more. The process is almost the same. So let me just teach you the process. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab just type pabbly.com, pabbly.com, pabbly.com. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. It's actually very easy. After you have clicked on sign up for free, you will be led to the dashboard. In my case, I have already built my account, so let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here I will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Zoho to Twilio. Zoho CRM to Twilio. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. And let me just click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with the trigger window as well as the action window? So when we are talking about automation in Pabbly Connect, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger says when this happens, then this or the action should follow. So in this case, the trigger is a new contact is created in Zoho CRM and the action is and the SMS will be sent to the contact. So what I'm going to do here is using these two windows, that is the trigger window as well as the action window, we are going to create a workflow to integrate Zoho CRM to Twilio. And there is something else I have to tell you. After we have built a workflow that has integrated Zoho CRM to Twilio, I will make sure the link of this workflow is available in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so we have to select the trigger. The trigger is Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM, this one. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new module entry and simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection and just click on connect with Zoho CRM. Okay, so now it is demanding authentication. Now in my case, the domain is zoho.com. Okay, zoho.com. That is why I'm going to just copy zoho.com and paste it here. Now if you have different domains, just do it accordingly. And let me just click on done. Okay, so it is trying to authorize. Now before I click on accept, let me just tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press accept. Authorization successful. Excellent. So by default, we have this field that is module name. And these are all the fields, these are all the modules we have. Now I'm interested in this module that is contact. So as you can see, these are all the modules we have. Now I'm interested in this one, contacts. So I have selected contacts. Now the gist is, if you are if you have already worked with Pabbly Connect, you already know this. You basically copy the webhook URL and paste it into the triggering software. But in this case, you don't have to do it. In case of Zoho CRM, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request to integrate Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so the integration is ready. Now it is showing it is waiting for the data. So basically it means that all we have to do is just create a contact and the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do here is I'm just going to create a new contact. Okay, so let me just click on create contact. So these are the details of the contact. We have a guy called as Matthew. Okay, and the last name is Perry, Matthew Perry. Then we have the lead source as trade show or something random. And this is the email address of Matthew Perry. Matthew Perry 45 @gmail.com. Just a random email, that's all. Then we have the phone number. So let me just add the phone number. So this is the phone number. Let me just remove the +91 sign. Okay, let me just remove rest of the things that came along with autofill. Okay, so we have entered the phone number. And in case if you want, you can enter all those details. Let me just add some details of the address. Okay, so we have auto-populated that. Okay, so I think we are ready. Okay, so let me just click on save. Okay, so a new contact called as Matthew Perry has been created. This is his email address and this is basically the phone number where we will be sending the confirmation SMS. So let us have a look. Since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Zoho CRM, has it captured the details or not? Yes, we do have the details. So as you can see, we have the email that is matthewperry45 @gmail.com. Then we have the rest of the details. Okay, so let's explore. We are interested in the name. So this is the name, that is Matthew Perry. And this is basically the phone number. So on this phone number, we will be sending an SMS with the help of Twilio. To send an SMS, we are going to use the action window. Now the action window, we are going to select the choose app as Twilio. Twilio it is. So let me just open my Twilio account. Okay, so this is my Twilio account and this is going to open. Let me just make some changes. I'm sorry, let me just enter the password. So this is my password. Okay, and let me just click on verify. Okay, so this is my dashboard of Twilio. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is, now there is something I have mentioned earlier, that in place of Twilio you can use other SMS sending app like D7 Network, SMS Horizon. The process is almost the same. So it is not necessary that you have to use Twilio to send the SMS to the newly created contact. Now in the action event, let me just add send SMS message. That's pretty much obvious. And we are going with a new connection. Now in the new connection, we have to enter the account SID, authorization token, and once again the account SID. So let's have a look in Twilio. So what I'm going to do here is we have to figure out our account SID and account token. So let me just click on settings. So this is the settings page. Let me just scroll down. So this is the account SID. Now remember this, we have two cases here. That is the live credentials and the test credentials. We are going with the live credential. So this is the account SID. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Then once again at the bottom, we have to again re-enter the account SID. So we have pasted it here also. Then we have the authorization token. Let me just remove the privacy. Let me just copy this and let me just paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the account SID, authorization token, and once again entered the account SID. Let me just click on save. Okay, so we have to fill some details here. That is the body of the SMS, the sender number, and the recipient number. So we will start with the sender number. So basically I am the sender and this is basically the number that has been provided by Twilio to send the SMS. So this is the number. I'm just going to copy this. Now if you're working with Twilio, you already know this number. It's nothing unique about it. Okay, so let me just paste this here. Then we have the recipient number. So let me just add the recipient number. If you may remember, the recipient number is this one. Okay, let me just add the recipient number of Matthew Perry. That has been added. So where is the recipient number? Oh yes, this is the one. And what we have to do here is we have to also add +91. So +91, why +91? So as you can see, it is demanding the country format. In my case, I'm from India and this phone number is an Indian phone number. So that is why +91. Now we have to compose a very simple body of the SMS. So the body of the SMS would be hello. And let's enter the first name. or you can also enter the full name. Okay, so I'm just going to search for the name. Now remember this all data came from Zoho. Okay, so this is the data that came from Zoho. This is the phone number and this is basically the full name as well as the first name. So we are just basically mapping all these details. Hello Matthew, we have got your data and we will be sending regular updates on this phone number. Okay, so let me just add the phone number once again. Okay, so if you may remember, this is basically our phone number. Okay, so this is basically the phone number. Hello Matthew, we have got your data. We will be sending regular updates on this phone number. Excellent. So this is the sender number, this is the recipient number. Let me just click on save and send test request to send our SMS. Okay, so the response is a positive one. So let's have a look. Let me just show you the message that has been sent to Matthew Perry. So hello Matthew, we have got your data. We will be sending regular updates on this phone number. Okay, so we have got the data. Excellent. So what's next? So before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell, because the integration is successful. Okay, so I have minimized both my windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Zoho CRM to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Twilio. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Zoho CRM and Twilio. So not just these two apps, you can integrate a ton of applications using Pabbly Connect. The link of the workflow as well as Pabbly Connect is available in the description box. Furthermore, if you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.